until they can learn how to clean it up. Hey guys, this is Chef Shima with Swallow This by Mahone. Now, I'm back in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, if you haven't figured that out already. Okay, so the first time that we came here, we went to Big Mike's Soul Food. And well, you all know how that was for me. I ended up not eating food, thrown it away. Now we're at the Simply Southern Smokehouse, which is a nice little soul food joint, but it's buffet style. First of all, the price isn't impeccable right now. I'm just gonna let you know. I haven't eaten yet, but I'm sure you'll see pictures of the food. So, well, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this little journey with me. I'll let you know how it goes. Chef Shima with Swallow This by Mahone. If you're looking behind me, you can see this will be the last day of the South Carolina Food Truck Festival, and I'm about to go in here again to visit some more trucks because they have over 70 vendors out here. So I'm going to check out a few more places. Again, you'll get some videos on this. For those of you wondering why I didn't come back in the same outfit after going to the Simply Southern Smokehouse Barbecue and Country Buffet. Well, here's the real deal, because I always give you the truth. The only reason you see me in a different outfit today is because we got food poisoning. Both me and Mr. Mann got food poisoning, and we pretty much spent the whole day at our hotel on yesterday due to food poisoning. So would I recommend the Simply Southern Smokehouse Barbecue and Country Buffet? Absolutely not. That's all I can say about that. It left a terrible taste in our mouth. Now, before we got food poisoning, the thing that I can tell you is that the food was bland, but it wasn't inedible at that point, but we immediately got sick. So yeah, that's what we got at the Simply Southern Smokehouse Barbecue and Country Buffet. I would not recommend going there to anyone until they can learn how to clean it up. Chef Shima, Swallow This by Mahone.